The Dubai chocolate trend has taken another form and today itatry naman natin gawin yung latest version which is sikat ngayon sa Korea. Let's make Dubai Jonto cookie or Dubai chewy cookie. Hindi siya cookie and hindi rin siya mochi, so tara try natin gawin. First, kailangan natin ng katayfi. If wala kayong mahanap nito, pwede namang homemade. Meron akong video on my profile kung paano to gawin sa bahay. Pwede nyong i-search or ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa comment section. Kupitin or hiwain lang natin into smaller pieces. Then, in a pan on medium heat, melt some butter and then add in the katayfi. Halu-haluin lang natin to until maging crispy and golden brown like this. Transfer to a bowl and then add in pistachio paste and mix until well combined. Set aside lang natin yan sa ref to chill and then sa next part naman tayo. In a pan on medium-low heat, mas okay kung non-stick, melt some butter and then add in marshmallows. Gently melt on medium-low heat while continuously mixing. Then mag-a-add tayo ng cocoa powder and milk powder. Then continue mixing until it looks like this. Then, sa tray na may silicone mat or parchment paper, mag-spray lang tayo ng konting oil and then pour in the marshmallow mixture. Spread lang natin using a spatula or kamay na may oil and then set it aside to cool down and set. Yung pistachio mixture naman, scoop lang natin into balls para naka-portion na. Hatiin lang natin yung marshmallow kung ilan yung portion ng pistachio katayfi, then pwede na nating ibalot. Make sure lang na may oil kayo sa kamay or sa gloves para hindi masyadong malagkit. After that, i-roll na natin sa cocoa powder and pwede na nating ilagay sa paper liner. Optional pero naglagay din ako ng strawberries dun sa iba and I highly recommend na itry nyo din kasi sobrang bagay yung strawberry sa pistachio and chocolate. For me, mas okay kung i-chill pa to for at least 1 hour para mas firm and chewy para pwede namang i-consume right away. And that's it! Kaya mo na rin gumawa ng trending Dubai Chewy Cookie at home. Follow me for more recipes and enjoy! Buyers!